Hello friends, we're going to talk about how to add data sources to Power BI Workspaces and Power BI gateways. You might have experienced problems while adding data sources when the files are stored on network or they stored on different folders. So we're going to basically talk about three things. So the files which are stored on networks like Excel files or any other file, or they are stored in folders. And also we will talk about how we can add users to those data sources when they are added up. So for an example, if a file is saved on a network and you want to add a data source, you'll go to your Power BI web and then you'll click on this setting, and then on the left top corner you'll see add data sources. You'll click on add data sources and you will see something like this. Then you'll give a meaningful name to your data source. For this example, I've given test file at network. You'll choose file in data source types. You'll provide the full path, and the things which you need to be careful with is you need to provide the network location, /network location /data, and then your full location, followed by the extension of the file, in this case test xlsx. You have to provide your Windows username and password, and in your Windows username you have to give domain / your username. For an example, for Microsoft, it will be Microsoft / your username, AKS in this case, and your password. Once you click on add, you will see something like this. So connection added successfully. This was how we can add the files which are there on the network. We'll see how we can add folders, and then we can utilize the data source for whole folders. You have to repeat the same thing. You have to go add data source. And once you click it, you will see data source name. Give a meaningful name like Power BI folder at network. You have to choose folder in data source type. Once you choose that, you have to just provide the folder path. In this case, it will be just Power BI folder, and you have to provide your Windows username and password. The things which you have to be careful with is the path, which has the network location name /data, and your username, which will have your domain name / your username. Once you click on add, you will see the data source added successfully. But even though you have added these data sources under your gateway, your users won't be able to see these data sources. You have to add the users to these data sources. So next thing is you will click on users. You'll type their email ID. If they are into your network, their name will come up. You have to add, and then that will be added to your data sources, and they'll be able to access it. Click on subscribe button for next videos. Thank you very much for watching.